What is up, everybody? Just want to welcome you to the first of 4 quarterly vlog wrap-up videos we're doing. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to break the year down into the 4 quarters. So we'll have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October, November, December. And I just am basically going through all the footage I've shot and finding some highlight shots of stuff that was funny to me, important to me, you know, what I thought was good entertainment for the year from the vlog. And so before we jump into this, I just want to say a big thanks to everyone who's watched all year. Even if you missed some, if you've only watched occasionally, you watch every other one, you watch one a week, whatever. If you watched it all, thank you, really appreciate it. And without any further ado, we're going to jump into the first one here. What was that noise? One more time.
Billy!
Damn it, Billy.
Damn it, Billy! Was that your ice cream from this morning? No!
Jesus Christ. Now we're going farther.
Now I'm just going off script.
That doesn't. Oh, God.
People are gonna be like, these fucking morons.
So why don't you just tell them about Billy so everybody knows?
So we're walking through Disneyland, right? And this kid and his mom, and I think it was after we got off the pier, this kid's just walking, no build up whatsoever. All of a sudden we're like 10 feet back, he goes, Aah! he just no build up, just instant hurl all over the place. And his mom goes, was that your ice cream from earlier? And we just came up with Billy as a name because it fit.
We didn't know the kid's actual name.
His name could have been Steven for all I know.
It really shocked Justin. He hasn't worked around kids enough.
Yeah,
so
I was like, where was the build-up for that?
There wasn't a build-up for it, but it's okay.
That was insane.
Where the fuck do we park the car? Oh, fuck. Some asshole backed in, too. Damn it. Damn it. Why don't you tell us your thoughts about Disneyland already?
Tiny, real fucking small.
We haven't even made it inside yet, and he's already complaining about the size.
Like an hour.
So we'll see how this goes.
It'll be great. It'll be a good time.
This will be fun.
Yep.
This is gonna be awesome.
Representing New York. May the force be with you. All my Jedis.
You got it!
Good job.
Any rebel challengers out there?
Rebel challengers. Yes.
Just getting warmed up.
You guys are so live. I love it. All right, we have our family team coming all the way through. That's right, with your hands to the end. Good job. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we love all of our runners. We're doing a special place for our legacy runners. Woo! Our repeat
Let me just zoom in on this. That was impressive. That was impressive.
You got 21 up again.
That was a left-handed strike. I normally throw right. Fuck yeah. God, your tits look so good. Got a nice intimate setting, just the two of us.
Do I need to sign a release for this?
Yeah, hopefully. Went into work this morning and got all set up, ready to go, and my boss came in and said, well, you no longer work here. But she's trying to hide her double chin. Yep, still there. It's totally cool, man. Don't worry, Mom, I'm making sure she studies.
But that door was way more convenient. Oh God! It's okay. It's okay, friends.
You just gotta go for it.
Hi there. Oh,
You
they're
can't be
so scared.
You can't be slow about it. You just have to go for
Oh, I
it.
want the duck! Oh, I feel so bad. They're terrifying.
No, they're fine.
Oh, he wants me too. Oh, no, he doesn't.
This is gold. Absolute gold. Just grab them. Don't be shy.
Oh, I'm
There
so
you go.
sorry. You're okay.
It's okay.
We're friends. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. It's okay.
Well, don't just hold him. Like, you gotta pet him or something. I hope he doesn't poop on you.
It's okay. This is my work.
I feel like you're so much lower than me.
I'm not a good swinger.
Pump it, bro. Get that float at the top.
Alright, I just got up early this morning, went to the unemployment office to register, whatever that means, even though I did all that crap online. And I was there for 10 minutes, filled out the same questions twice that I'd already filled out once, and they gave me a sheet of paper that said, okay, cool, you're legit now. What a waste of time. Literally a waste of time. Do it. Come on. Hold on.
And round the fastest lap of the main event was set by Eli Tomac here, number 3, your winner. He was a half a second quicker than anyone else on the track. Dominating performance. Well, the championship.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Push. Rock. Yeah. Come on. Get it. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Go one more. That was it.
No, well, Cam said I'm not allowed to use the stove anymore.
We're cooking with Luke. Yeah, we'll get the pan out so we can...
Incident.
Are you gonna get the pan out so we can fucking try this shit?
Where's the pan?
Down there. Alright, so we don't really know what the hell we're gonna eat. Haven't been shopping for about 3 weeks. So we got grilled and ready Tyson chicken. Focus, there we go.
Alright, this is the one.
Pulled chicken breast. Yeah, hell yeah. So, says you just put it in a skillet for like 5 to 7 minutes and it should be alright. So maybe we'll put a little barbecue sauce with it or something. Yeah, that's good. That's the right one. Go ahead. Yep, right there. No, don't put it on hot. We're not cooking eggs. So, backstory here. Last time my parents were gone, he was cooking eggs on my mother's stove.
Look at that.
Freaking cooks them on high. Scrambled eggs cooked on high for 20 minutes. Burnt the shit out of them. So my mother said he's not allowed to use the stove. So we're back here trying to use the stove with him. What is that? I don't know. Is that Carolyn's?
I don't know.
Maybe. Carolyn, do you have something in a purple Tupperware?
I think it's grease.
Plowing through it. Oh, buddy's slowing down. The forkfuls are smaller.
The thing is, it tastes so good.
Tastes that good that you're just plowing through it, huh?
You just can't stop.
Sure. Whatever you say. Yeah. Get it.
It smells like pizza, not race gas. I don't understand. I'm so confused right now.
So the 471 of Logan Park
here to admire the weather. It is the 21st of January and it is 60 degrees outside and we're in Michigan. Isn't this great? This is great, right? The weather's awesome. This and I gotta eat it and yeah, so this is happening, right? It's about 10,000 calories of effing up my diet all day long. This is gonna be great. Not focusing, it's really bright here, so it's good. We made it. Holy shit, it's really freaking snowing out here. Me and Luke just did 500 push-ups each. That sucked. I can't really lift my arms or feel them. Time to go home and eat.
To do that right now, take a quick moment, text Survivor to 80373. It's Ram Truck Month at Hinkley Automotive in Battle Creek. Employed women have the 4x4 truck for you. Which gets 3,000 2017. Ram 1,500.
Quick snooze in for like an hour here, 45 minutes, whatever. Then we're gonna go to the gym.
Thank you for shopping at Meyer.